Hello everyone. Today we will be going for lesson number 20, that is area and perimeter of plane figures. Before to start with this chapter, let me clear certain things bacho, that there won't be area of quadrilaterals this year as far as your syllabus is concerned. I am again repeating, you don't have area of quadrilaterals, so you don't have exercise 20b. But we have to revise the formula like area of square, area of rhombus, area of trapezium, because that will require for the further studies. So you have only exercise 20A, exercise 20CD. Okay? Now area and perimeter of plane figures. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the length of its boundary. You come across any two-dimensional figure. So when you calculate the perimeter, it will be the sum of its all sides. That is called perimeter. Area is nothing but it is the measurement of the surface enclosed by its boundary. Whatever you have two-dimensional figure, so the surface enclosed into that boundaries will be its area. Suppose I go for triangle, like this triangle. So how will you calculate the area of this? The total surface enclosed by that triangle, isn't it? Suppose I want to go for circle, so how will you calculate the area of the circle? The total surface enclosed by that. Then go for units. The units of perimeter are meter, centimeter, mm, kilometer, etc. depending on what kind of area you are provided. The unit of area, what kind of length is provided. Area is meter square, centimeter square, mm square, kilometer square. Why it is square? Because it's two-dimensional figure. So length into breadth will be what? Meter into meter. Length will be measured in meter. Breadth will also be measured in meter. So it will be meter into meter. That is meter square. Now we need to understand the convergence. Now we all know when 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So when you convert centimeter into mm, when you convert centimeter into mm, multiply by 10. When you convert mm into centimeter, divide by 10. Okay? But when you convert 1 centimeter square into mm square, this is for perimeter, this is for area. So 1 centimeter square will be how many times mm? 2 times. That means you have to multiply 2 times 10. Okay? To convert while centimeter into square into mm square. But when you convert mm square into centimeter square, you have to divide by 100. That is 2 times 10. Now 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 10 centimeter. So when you convert meter into centimeter, needs to multiply by what? 10, 100. But when you convert centimeter into meter, you have to divide by what? 100. Like that only in 1 meter square. In 1 meter square, there will be how many centimeter? 2 times 100, 100, isn't it? So when you convert meter square into centimeter square, you have to multiply by 2 times 100. But when you convert centimeter square into meter square, you have to divide by 2 times 100. I hope so, bacho, we are very clear with the some basic part of area and perimeter of plane figures. Now we'll go for applications. Now what are the applications? Before to go for the applications, first part will be area of perimeter of triangles. As per as this chapter is concerned, you have 3 things. First one, triangle. Second is quadrilateral, different types of quadrilaterals, rhombus, square, trapezium. And third one is circle. Third one is what? Circle. So this year you have triangle and circle. So we'll go for area and perimeter of what? Triangles. So we come across so many triangles when it comes to triangles. Right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. So for every right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, for every type of triangle, there is a different formula, there is a different mathematical expression to calculate its area. For to calculate its what? Area. Not necessary you should use that formula only. We'll see to that. But there is a one standard formula for it. Try to use that formula. First of all, we'll go for right angle triangle. Now, if you see ABC is right angle triangle, where AB and BC are the side, those includes right angle. If you go for triangle PQR, then here PQ and PR, these are the 2 sides, those includes right angle. If you go for this triangle XYZ, then you come to know that this XZ and this YZ includes right angle triangle. So always remember, when you come across a right angle triangle, how to calculate the area of that type of triangle? 1/2 base into height. Now what will be the base and what will be the height? That is the question. For sure, the side, those includes right angle triangle. One of them will be base and one of them will be height. For sure, this will be hypotenuse. This will be what? Hypotenuse, opposite to 90 degree. तो यहाँ पे आप BC को base पकड़ो या फिर AB को base पकड़ो. No issues. If you consider AB as base, then BC will be height. If you consider BC as base, then AB will be height. But always remember, the side those includes right angle triangle. One of them will be base and one of them will be height. So here this will be hypotenuse. So we'll consider this as base and this will be height. I hope so I'm very clear how to calculate the area of the right angle triangle. Okay, we'll go for next. how to calculate, what do you mean by, what is Heron's formula here that we will see. Suppose you come across such a triangle where the three different sides are given, that is A, B, C. These are the three different sides of any triangle. Consider PQR. Consider what? PQR. Then first of all we need to calculate semi-perimeter. How to calculate semi-perimeter? The sum of all sides divided by 2. That what it means semi-perimeter, isn't it? Then once you calculate semi-perimeter, go for area. The formula for area is under root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. This is what the formula, Heron's formula, to calculate the area of scalene triangle. Not necessary only for scalene triangle, you can go for other triangles also, but it will be easy in this case. When it comes to equilateral triangle, see, you can go for Heron's formula, no issues. Actually, the formula for equilateral triangle area is obtained from the Heron's formula only. Here A will be what? Side. So how to calculate the area of that type of triangle? It's root 3 upon 4 into A square, where A is what? Side. So it's side square. Now from where this is obtained? It is obtained from the Heron's formula only. Okay? If the derivation is given in your textbook, you can just go through that. Now next, if you come across isosceles triangle, so here we have two sides A and A. So these two sides are equal sides we called, and here B is what? Base. So how to calculate the area of isosceles triangle? Here A is the equal side and B is what? Base. So when it comes to area of this type of triangle, the formula is 1 upon 4 into B, where B is what? Base, into under root 4A square minus B square. This is what the formula for area of isosceles triangle. But you're not necessary you should go for this formula only. Here you can use this Heron's formula also, isn't it? One more method is there that we will see, but these are the standard formulas when it comes to find out the area of the triangle. Now how to find out the perimeter of these triangles? It's simple. Add all the sides. It will be A plus B plus C. It will be 3A. It will be 2A plus B. So these are the basic information as far as the area and the perimeter of the different type of triangles is concerned. In next video we will see some applications from exercise 20A. Thank you very much, bachcho.